the last diagram. Yeah, this is the gate. Yeah, gate, and this is the shared resource are shared here, and that is called the DMZ. Yeah, and this is the trusted zone. Trusted zone. Yeah, and this is the untrusted zone. So there are three zones in the firewall. So interviewer generally asks, what is the advantage of zone? Yeah, sorry. Why we need a three zones? Why we need a zone? Yeah. So first answer is that in the last lecture we means we gone through the why we need a zone. Yeah, and what is the advantage of zone? So first answer is that is the without we can control the traffic, because without policy three zones are not communicate to each other, so we can control the traffic. That's why we need a zone. And the biggest advantage of zone, why we need a zone? So first answer is the control the traffic. Yeah. And the second answer is that what is the advantage of zone? Advantage. Advantage. First answer control the traffic. Second answer is the triple A. Triple A. Why we use zone? Second answer is the triple A. Yeah. So what do you mean by A? Second A. There are three A. So first A is the authentication. Authentication. The second A is authorization. Authorization. And third A is accounting. 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 There are three A. Yeah. So what do you mean by authentication? Does anyone knows? What do you mean by authentication? Does anyone knows? No. Authentication means, what do you mean by authentication? Authentication means password. है Password. Let me explain first thing. Whenever, suppose in my home, maid is everyday maid is coming, and she prepare the food. So first maid knock my door. Yeah, she knock my door. Then I open door. Yeah, and then first thing I will recognize she is the correct or not. She is correct person or not. That I will find out. Yeah, means first I validate the user. Yeah, first time I'm validate the maid, she's correct person or not. So first I'm checking who are you. Yeah, authentication means who are you. So first authentication means Nitin sir, your mic is unmute. Okay. So first A is who are you. Who are you means it is validate the user. Yeah, I'm validating the my maid. Yeah, and after that maid enter my home, means enter in my home. Then I do not allow the whole access of my house. I only given the access to my maid, only given the access to only my kitchen. With the means in kitchen they cannot go any other room. She can only stay in kitchen. So I will define the access level. She can only access the kitchen. She can only access the kitchen. That is called the authorization. Authorization means define define the define the access level. Define the access level. That is called the authorization. Yeah. And after that, suppose maid is generally prepare the food within a 30 minute. Yeah, every day she's made a food within a 30 minute. One day what happened, she's not she's prepare the food around around 4 hours, means she's not come out from the kitchen. and I suddenly see generally maid prepare the food within a 30 minute. What happening? Is there any accident, or is there anything happening in the kitchen? So I suddenly go to kitchen and I watch the activity. Yeah, I monitor the I will monitor the maid. Yeah, so that is called the monitoring. Means we are monitoring the maid. So that is called the auditing. Auditing means accounting. Yeah, accounting means monitoring. 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 So the third A is accounting, means monitoring. Yeah. Suppose I have credit card and my pin code number you don't know, your pin code number I don't know. Yeah. So suppose somebody knows the pin code number, then he is able to access that credit card. Yeah, a debit card. Yeah. So first is a credit card example. So pin code number is very important. So first step is the enter the pin code number. That is called the who are you, means authentication. And according to your salary package, they are given the excess limit. Yeah. Suppose your salary package is very high, automatically bank increase your credit limit. Yeah. And suppose salary package is very minimum, so they can given a limited access. Suppose credit card give me the limit of 50,000. Above 50,000 I cannot purchase anything. So credit card means bank given the excess limit, means define the excess limit. Yeah, that is called the authorization. And whole month I buy a fridge, I buy a laptop, I buy a computer, anything I buy, yeah, like fan or anything I buy from the credit card, and the month end the bill will come. That is the accounting. Accounting means monitoring. I will see what I have purchases. Yeah, that is called the monitoring. Yeah, monitoring means accounting. Yeah. And suppose my son, actually my son friends are coming in my house. They are knock the door. Yeah, uncle, we want to play in your house. So first I validate. I means I call my son, come here and watch this guy. This is your friend. Then he says that yes, they are my friend. So I allow him. Means first, who are you? Authentication. And then the child come in my house. I will not allow whole house. I will given the access only in the my hall. Hall, apart from hall, I will not given access any other room. Yeah. So that is called the authorization. Means define the access level. And the child will we have to continuous monitoring. Yeah. If you are not monitoring the child, then suddenly they are fight to each other. So every day, whenever they are playing, so I will monitor. So that is called the accounting. So the 3A meaning is authentication, authorization, and accounting. And what is the advantage of zone? So the second advantage is the triple A. Triple A means whenever anybody come here, so I will means first validate these are known person or not. Yeah, these are known person or not. Then I can allow. Yeah, and I will not allow this side. In trusted side, my lane is there, so I will not allow in this area. I will allow in the only this zone in the DMZ only. So I will define the access level means authorization. And whatever they access any kind of resource here, so the logs are there. So that is called the accounting. So what is the advantage of zone? The triple A. Yeah. We can means we can authenticate, we can authorize, we can account it. So these three benefit of the zone. Yeah. The second advantage. And I will suggest you, please make means please 3 or 4 line leave it. I will also given the some reason why we need a zone. So once I will teach you that part, then I will come back here and write down the this point here, because right now you are not capable to understand these things because it's the initial phase of firewall. So whenever I will complete that part, then I will tell you, write down here. So you come back and write down this point here. So please leave it 4 line more. Yeah. 4 advantage more. Yeah. So 4 to 5 line leave it. And then next topic we will start. So what is the advantage of Joule? So 3 advantage of the Joule. Anybody, any question in three authentication, authorization, and accounting? Anyone? Any question? Yeah.